Back here, I'm on this treehouse again, and you want to see my front yard? It's flooded! Yay! Yeah, look at this. It's funny, huh? That how one day it's completely fine, it's full of grass, and it's full of water the next. It's annoying. I wish the rain would have flooded my fields. My fields. My fields. Yeah, it's kind of annoying. Well, I just wanted to put up a quick video and yeah, do that and show you how flooded this place is. Wonder if there's any fish in there. Probably not, because that's, hey, maybe they might have come upstream from that. That'd be awesome, huh? Well, I just wanted to tell you about my front yard and how that happened. So, see you guys later. Bye.